एक जनरल अवेयरनेस। एक हु इज द करंट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा? एक नवीन पटनायक। बी धर्मेंद्र प्रधान। सी मोहन माझी। डी जुअल ओरम।
Answer
आंसर
is
दो द
answer is Mohan Majhi.
दो द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ टरेन was fought between एक पृथ्वीराज चौहान and Muhammad Ghori. B Akbar and Hemu. C Babur and Rana Sanga. D Raja Raja Chola and Rajendra Chola. Answer A Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. 3. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Dr. Homi Bhabha. B. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Rakesh Sharma. Answer C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 4. The largest gland in the human body is A. Pancreas. B. Liver. C. Thyroid. D. Adrenal. Answer B. Liver. 5. The currency of the European Union is A. Euro. B. Pound. C. Yen. D. Dollar. Answer A. Euro. 6. The headquarters of the United Nations is in A. Geneva. B. New York. C. Washington, D.C. D. Paris. Answer B. New York. 7. What is the capital of Bhutan? A. Thimphu. B. Kathmandu. C. Dhaka. D. Colombo. Answer A. Thimphu. 8. Who is the first woman president of India? A. Pratibha Patil. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Draupadi Murmu. Answer A. Pratibha Patil. No. What is the national game of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Kabaddi. D. Football. Answer B. Hockey. Thus, Hirakud Dam is built on which river? A. Mahanadi. B. Brahmaputra. C. Godavari. D. Krishna. Answer A. Mahanadi. 11. The longest river in the world is A. Amazon. B. Ganges. C. Nile. D. Mississippi. Answer C. Nile. 12. The Constitution of India came into effect on A. The 15th of August 1947. B. The 26th of January 1950. C. The 26th of November 1949. D. The 2nd of October 1950. Answer B. The 26th of January 1950. 13. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 14. Chandrayaan-3 mission was launched in which year? A. 2019. B. 2021. C. 2023. D. 2025. Answer C. 2023. 15. The state with the highest literacy rate in India is A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. Answer A. Kerala. 16. The Nobel Prize is given in which country? A. USA. B. UK. C. Sweden. D. France. Answer C. Sweden. 17. The largest democracy in the world is A. USA. B. China. C. India. D. Russia. Answer C. India. 18. The Indian national calendar is based on which era? A. Gregorian. B. Vikram Samvat. C. Sakaira. D. Aslamak. Answer C. Sakaira. 19. Who discovered the sea route to India? A. Columbus. B. Vasco da Gama. C. Magellan. D. Marco Polo. Answer B. Vasco da Gama. Bees. The first Indian satellite was A. Bhaskar. B. Aryabhat. C. INSATAK. D. Rohini. Answer B. Aryabhat. 2. Science. 21. What is the chemical formula of water? A. CO2. B. CO. D. Answer B. 22. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer D. Vitamin D. 3. What is the C unit of force? A. Newton. B. Joule. C. Pascal. D. Watt. Answer A. Newton. Chobbies. Which gas is used for respiration in humans? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Oxygen. Pachis. What is the main component of the sun? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon. D. Helium. Answer B. Hydrogen. 3. English language. 26. Find the correctly spelled word. A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. D. Accommodation. Answer C. Accommodation. 27. Find the antonym of brave. A. Cowardly. B. Bold. C. Fearless. D. Strong. Answer A. Cowardly. 28. Choose the correct article she adopted often. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article. Answer B. An. 29. What is the plural of crisis? A. Crises. B. Crisis. C. Crises. D. Crises. Answer C. Crises. 30. Identify the correct sentence. A. She don't likes coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She hasn't like coffee. D. She not like coffee. Answer B. She doesn't like coffee.